The Inspire Check-In Kiosk allows clients to check in for their appointment or walk-ins to sign themselves in. To open the check-in kiosk on a client-facing tablet or computer. From the home page, click Check-in Kiosk or go to the navigation menu and click Check-in Kiosk. Security tip: for security reasons, there is not an option to view any other areas of the software without logging out and logging back in once you enter the check-in kiosk. By default, the check-in kiosk will display the appointment check-in page. Appointments for today will display chronologically, and the client name is only first name and last initial for security reasons. Clients can simply click check-in and a message will display confirming they are checked in for their appointment. The appointment status will update to be checked in and a notification will be sent to the related workers on the STX Worker app. To toggle to the walk-in check-in, click on the Click Walk-in. Click Here button. Clients can simply put in a first name, last name, service, and worker. Use the plus sign to add additional services. Clients can then click the check-in button to be added to the walk-in waiting list with a timestamp. To manage the walk-in list from the front desk, go to the appointment page, click Waiting List. Tip: by default, the appointment waiting list and walk-in waiting list will be shown. Select Walk-in Only checkbox to view only the walk-in waiting list. To remove a walk-in waiting list entry, simply click the trash icon to the left and the item will be removed. To remove expired walk-in waiting list entries, simply click Delete All Expired. To check in the client, click Check-in. A pop-up will appear with an option to create a new client or pair with an existing client. New Client, click New Client and a new client card will be created. Existing Client, search and select to pair with an existing client. The appointment will appear on the appointment book and the appointment list. The ticket will appear on the checkout list.